Using Copilot during an interview requires careful consideration, as it's essential to maintain honesty and demonstrate your own skills. Here's a breakdown of how you can ethically and effectively leverage Copilot, along with crucial caveats. Ethical considerations. Transparency. If you're using Copilot during a technical interview, be transparent with the interviewer. Don't try to pass off Copilot generated code as your own original work. Explain how you're using it as a tool to assist your thought process and coding. Understanding versus memorization. Focus on demonstrating your understanding of the concepts, not just your ability to generate code. Use Copilot to help you write the code, but be prepared to explain the logic and reasoning behind it. Problem solving skills. Don't rely on Copilot to solve the entire problem for you. Use it to assist with specific tasks such as generating boilerplate code or suggesting syntax. The interviewer is primarily interested in your problem solving process, not just the final result. Practical ways to use Copilot. Syntax and boilerplate. Use Copilot to quickly generate syntax for common programming constructs or to create boilerplate code for functions and classes. This can save you time and allow you to focus on more challenging aspects of the problem. Code suggestions. Use Copilot's code completion and suggestion features to explore different approaches to solving a problem. This can help you identify potential solutions that you might not have considered otherwise. Documentation and examples. If you're unsure about the syntax or usage of a particular function or library, use Copilot to quickly access documentation and examples. This can be especially helpful during online coding tests. Testing and debugging. Copilot can help generate test cases or help find errors in code. This can help the testing and debugging process much faster.